e34 BMW side trim replacement. So these are held on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the front, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back. There's also this rubber grommet at the end of each strip, which mounts into this. As the old one, I'm fully replacing these. So I suggest you get these clips, because some of them were weak, some of them were broken. The way they work is there's a pin in the center, which you would use something like this, plus a hammer. Push the pin in all the way through, grab it with pliers on the corners, pull it out. Installation is really straightforward. You put it in as such, and then you push this with both of your nails in until it's flush, and then at the end you just clip these in.